In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you guys Liam's 2016 BMW F34 with the N20 engine.
The 328i.
The 328i, the GT.
Yes, the GT. That matters, you know, that's a really big thing.
It's got the nice badges on the back. Basically, we've already installed the JB4. If you guys want to check out that video on our install, I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can go ahead and check out that wicked video of us installing this.
This is pretty much a long overdue video going over what the JB4 actually does. So we're going to do some polls on just map 0 disabled, and then we're going to show you guys how to change the maps because it's really cool. You can look at the gauge cluster and all the changes, and then we'll show you on map 1, which is 20 psi. It'll be a fun time.
And map 2 is 22 psi, but you guys need full bolt-on.
Yeah, you need full supporting mods, which will be coming soon.
That's catless, front mount intercooler, charge pipe, and blow-off valve.
Yeah. And intake, you know, you should have that cold air intake.
Fair enough. JB4 cuts will not actually give you full boost. They'll keep you on stock boost until your oil temperature is actually up a little bit. So it's kind of a cool feature to help protect your engine the JB4 has. Some of the cool features you can do with JB4, you can actually make it so that your oil temperature gauge is a boost gauge only above 50% throttle. So below 50% throttle, it'll return to a normal oil temperature gauge. You can also make it so that every time you turn on your car with the ignition on, all your gauges will do a nice sweep, kind of like Corvettes do or Subaru STIs do. So you can also turn on something called max cool mode, which basically makes it so that your fans stay on. Some other cool stuff you can do. BMWs have exhaust flaps on the mufflers. You can make it so that your exhaust flap is on all the time, so it'll give you a little more noise. You can read codes. You can also delete codes when you hit the menu buttons, yeah.
So there's a little button on the signal stock, it's called BC. You just hold that until it flashes twice. And you'll see all your gauges drop. It's not perfectly aligned, you gotta count the clicks. So we're now doing the speedometer. It just kind of climbs up. I think there's only a total of 7 clicks you can do. Then it sets back to 0. You just hold the button again, switch over to tack. The tachometer is aligned perfectly. It doesn't, well, not quite perfect.
So basically with these numbers and configurations, you can choose tons of different variations based on a spreadsheet of JB4.
And now we're on map 0 on speedo, map 1 on tack, so that's 20 psi.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Smash that like button because I love it when you guys like the video. YouTube likes it when you guys like the video. Later.